Hello students, here I am coming with the new chapter, that is your chapter 8 of class 6, which is body movement. As you know that, what does it mean movement? It means moving or something changes from their position, from their existing position. So there are so many movements that happens in our bodies. Okay, so a group of organs that work together to help the body perform a life function, that is called an organ system. As you know, our body is made up of a large number of cells, a numerous number of cells, and when then cells is combined together to form the tissues, and when then these tissues are combined together to form the organs, and organ combined together to form the organ system. So such from with the help of organ system we can, means this movement is happening in our body. Okay, so three organ systems help us in movement of different parts of our body. Different parts of our body, it means like a blinking of eyes, this is also a movement. Writing in a notebook, this is also type of movement. So which body organ is helping here? Which body part of is doing this? Writing on a paper, your hand. So this is also type of movement. So three organ systems help us in movement of different parts of our body. The first one is your muscular systems, the second one is your skeletal system, and the next one is your nervous system. So in this chapter we will discuss something more about the skeletal system. As you know students, our body is made up of bones, and you know it is a framework of bones. It is a framework of bones that gives proper shape and support and strength to our body. So this is your skeletal system. Now we will discuss something more about the skeletal system. So students, let's have a look about the skeletal system. Okay, what does it mean, skeletal system? It is the framework of bones. It is the framework of bones that gives shape, support and strength to our body. Okay, when you are going to make some toys, firstly you have to give the structures. Firstly you have to give the skeletal outer fit, or you can say that framework we have to do, or we have to begin making a toys. Firstly we have to make a structures, draw out fit structures, or you can say the framework. So this is the same in the body, human body also. The skeletal system firstly to be constructed, so that's why it is known as the framework. It is a framework of bones that gives a shape, support and strength to our body. That is called your skeletal system. Is it clear here students? So as you know that an adult human skeleton has 206 bones. 206 bones are present in a human body. All the bones are different shapes and sizes also. For example, you can take the example in your body also. The leg and the arm bones, the leg bone and the arm bones are just different with each other. The chest bone also. Okay, so and you know that in a case of child there are so many bones are present. A child has more than bones, more than 200 bones. Near about there are 300 bones. When the child begin to grow, means most of the bones are combined together to form a new bone, or to form a long bone. Okay, so that is known as 206 bones. Okay, in the adult human body there is 206 bone, but in case of child, in case of infants, you can say that there is a near about 300 bones. Okay, is it clear here? Okay, now the bones contain, and as you know that the bone contain a jelly like material. The bones contain a jelly like material. That material is known as a bone marrow. And you know what is the function of bone marrow? Bone marrow helps in the formation of RBCs. Formation of RBCs. The main function of bone marrow is to form the red blood cells, RBCs. Okay, and there are many more functions. You can see that the bones help us to movement. Bones also protect the delicate internal organ. Delicate internal organ, it means rib cage. Rib cage is also a protective layer of which organ? Lungs. Okay, and it also helps to bend, run, walk. These all are the function. And one more function, if you are going to talk about the function of a skeletal system, it means the first function of a skeletal system is to give support, strength and support the shape to the body. Okay, and also it protects the delicate internal organ. Earlier we had already discussed that, like a brain, spinal cord, heart and lungs. These all are the internal organs. These are the soft, delicate internal organ which is just covered, or you can say the saved by the skeletal system. Okay, and skeletal system also helps to body movement with the help of muscles. Okay, with the help of muscles. Is it clear here? And earlier we had already discussed that the bones helps in the formation of red blood cells. Okay, now if we are moving from one place to another place, it means, or you can say if there is a different types of movement which is happening inside our body, that all are depend upon the joints. So later we will discuss about the types of joints. And you know, students, now we will begin with the joints. What does it mean? Joints, it means the place where two bones meet. Where two bones meet together, that place is known as a joints. Okay. Now the bones are joined together by strong tissues. That tissue's name is ligaments. You have to remember that. Okay. The bones are joined together by strong tissues. That tissue's name is known as ligament. Okay, it is clear here. And also one more thing you have to know, students, that joint may be movable, means it can be moved freely and it cannot be moved, or you can say that joints may be movable or it may be immovable. Okay, all the joints except skull, as you know that your head bone, skull are movable bones. Okay, skull are movable. Okay, now later we will discuss about, you know that there are different types of joints in our body. There are different types of joint in our body which help us to carry out different types of movement. The first one is your ball and socket joints. What will happen here? Look, ball and socket joint is those type of joint which is present in our body that allow movement in all the direction, like your shoulder bone, by which you can freely move your hand in all the directions. So this type of bone is present in your shoulder and hips bone also. Okay, so you have to remember that which type of joint is found in where, in which place in our body. Okay,